Let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x is equal to 1 over 5x, and construct and simplify the difference quotient. Now our first step on difference quotient is to identify f of x. Now that's easy, it's given, 1 over 5x. Our second step is to find f of x plus h. And what we do is we go to our original function, and wherever we have an x, we'll put in a set of parentheses. Everything else remains the same. The 1, the 5, the fraction, just replace the x with parentheses. Now whatever's inside this parentheses will automatically be what we put here. So I'll put x plus h here. Now step 3, and we can multiply the 5 through actually. Leave it there. Either way it'd work actually, but this way it might be a little bit easier. Now we're going to plug it into our formula. So we got f of x plus h minus f of x over h. So f of x plus h is 1 over 5 times x plus h minus f of x, which is 1 over 5x, all over h. Now our goal is somehow to get rid of this h in the denominator. And this 5x here, that's an inner denominator. It's a fraction inside of a fraction. It's got its own denominator, so I call it an inner denominator. And this 5 times x plus h is an inner denominator. So I'm going to multiply everything by the LCM of all my inner denominators. Now these both have a 5, so 5 is one of them. This one has an x, so x. And this is an x plus h inside of parentheses. So this is our LCM. This is what we'll multiply everything by. So we'll multiply times this first fraction. We'll multiply it times this second fraction. And we'll multiply it times the h. Okay. The x plus h and x plus h cancels here. The 5 here and the 5 cancel. This 5x cancels that 5x. So we're left with, what are we left with? X times 1, x, minus, and then inside of parentheses, x plus h. Now you don't actually multiply this through on the bottom, because you're hoping that that h will just cancel away. Well, up on top, a negative in front of your parentheses flips the sign of everything, so that becomes a negative x minus h over h times 5x times x plus h. X minus x cancels away, and we got negative h over h times 5x times x plus h. Now this h cancels this h. There's nothing left up on top except for the negative, so we're left with a negative 1. If everything else cancels away, you're always got a 1 over the bottom here. So that's why we get the negative 1 over 5x times x plus h.